How to make animation of arrow in PowerPoint. This is the animation of different types of arrows. I have made it in PowerPoint. Now I will show you how to make these animations of arrow in PowerPoint. At first, run the PowerPoint. I am using PowerPoint 2016. Take a blank page. Now at first write the title. Now I am drawing some arrows. I am giving the color. Now another arrow. Now I am giving the color according to my choice. Now I am taking other type of arrows. I am giving the color. Now I am going to give the animation. Yes, I have already given the animation of the title. I am giving emphasis. Yes. Emphasize. Pulse I have already set as animation. Then I am setting a certain duration of this animation. Then emphasis. Like the previous. I am setting emphasis now. I am setting duration start. Now set until the end of the slide. Set until the end of the slide. Until the end of the slide again. Then like the previous one, if you set until the end of the slide, it will make animation up to the end of the slide. Okay. Now I am showing the animation. I have already made the animation completely. Yes, this is the animation I have already made using PowerPoint. Different types of arrows. It is making animation until the end of the slide. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, others. Give a valuable comment and keep this channel subscribed. Thank you very much.